5 major benefits of ChatGPT. Increased efficiency and speed. 1. ChatGPT's ability to provide instant and accurate responses can significantly increase efficiency and speed in various industries. 2. This technology can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up time for more important work. 3. By quickly processing and analyzing large amounts of data, ChatGPT can save time and increase productivity for individuals and organizations. 24/7 availability. 1. ChatGPT's 24/7 availability means that it can provide uninterrupted service at any time, making it an ideal solution for businesses and individuals who require around-the-clock assistance. 2. This can lead to increased customer satisfaction and reduced wait times for support and information. 3. The constant availability of ChatGPT can improve productivity and support operations that have global or non-standard work hours. Improved customer service. 1. ChatGPT's ability to provide quick and personalized responses can significantly improve customer service. 2. The technology can assist with customer inquiries, provide information, and offer support, leading to improved customer satisfaction and loyalty. 3. ChatGPT can also handle high volumes of requests, making it a valuable tool for businesses looking to enhance their customer service operations. 4. By utilizing ChatGPT, businesses can reduce response times, improve accuracy, and provide a seamless customer experience. Increased accessibility. 1. ChatGPT's ability to process and understand natural language makes it an accessible tool for people with disabilities or language barriers. 2. The technology can provide information and support in multiple languages, increasing accessibility and making it easier for individuals to receive the assistance they need. 3. ChatGPT can also reduce the need for manual labor, making services more accessible and convenient for people with disabilities or limited mobility. 4. By using ChatGPT, organizations can improve their reach and accessibility, providing services to a wider audience. Cost savings. 1. Implementing ChatGPT can lead to significant cost savings for businesses and organizations. 2. The technology can automate repetitive tasks, reducing the need for manual labor and freeing up resources for more important work. 3. ChatGPT can also handle high volumes of requests, improving efficiency and reducing response times. 4. By utilizing ChatGPT, businesses can improve productivity and reduce labor costs, leading to cost savings and increased profitability. 5. The technology can also provide round-the-clock service, reducing the need for additional staff and further increasing cost savings.